Standard beat, subject English, topic action time, My English book 5, page number 30. Name the object in the picture and say what all you can do with it. तस्वीर की चीजों के नाम बताइए और ये भी बताइए कि इनसे क्या किया जा सकता है. Now let's start. This is a picture of an apple. It's an apple. What we can do with this? We can eat it, slice it, throw it, wash it, cook it, buy it, peel it, छील सकते हैं, drop it, sell it, cut it, catch it, pick it, grow it, and grind it. This is a picture of a bottle. ये बॉटल की तस्वीर है. अब हम बॉटल के साथ क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? We can buy it, खरीद सकते हैं, wash it, sell it, बेच सकते हैं, give it, take it, throw it, fold it, cut it, use it, drop it, catch it. This is a picture of a cloth, a piece of cloth. What we can do with this? We can buy it, wash it, sell it, fold it, cover it, hang it, collect it, drop it, color it, pick it, cut it, and wear it. This is a picture of a paper, a sheet of paper. What we can do with this? We can observe it, मुशाहिदा कर सकते हैं हम. Write it, इस पर लिख सकते हैं. Sell it, give it, take it, read it, fold it, cut it, paste it, show it, color it, and copy it. Now next is a flowers. What we can do with this? We can buy it, wash it, sell it, drop it, hang it, collect it, decorate it, smell it, pick it, gift it, and plant it.